Hi everyone, this is Audrey Long for Project 3, Measure and Transmit Fan Speed and Thrust. So for this project we were given some initial directions by CM Palmer to measure the speed of a brushless propeller, which is driven by an Arduino. So after I got the embedded system set up for that, I decided to specify a few more requirements. Grab my mouse. So after I followed the directions provided by CM Palmer to get the embedded system set up, I made sure that the code was driven around round-robin with interrupts, and I created the actual embedded system on a breadboard that is facing each other so I can put a propeller in between and capture the RPM and data in the serial terminal and create a nice graph of the data receiving. Taking a look over here, we have our little embedded system. As you can see, we're using the 13 2-pin 5 volts and ground, which is hooked up over here on a little breadboard. So on the left hand side there is the IR transistor with a 10 kilo ohm resistor. On the right hand side there is an IR LED, which will actually be flashing the data to the other sensor. And we're going to be interrupting this data transmission with the secondary little system here, which is a propeller. So there's a 9-volt battery, which is connected with a 100 ohm resistor to kind of interrupt the fan speed. I don't want it to be super fast because the data, it's fine. This fan doesn't have to be so fast. So what I also did was taped up the propeller wings because they were a little transparent and I just didn't want that to interfere at all with the project. Alright, now I have an assistant that's going to go ahead and turn the battery on for me. Thank you. So as you can see, we are going to put this propeller in between this embedded system. Now on this other computer screen over here, I'm going to start up the Python script that's going to grab all of the information from the serial terminal and actually just graph it on the fly for you, all the data that we're receiving from the embedded system. Just kind of taking a look at the real-time data being captured. Propeller fan speed. Real-time data. Propeller fan speed. Wow. As you can see, I thought this was really spiffy. It's a really cool way to see the data. And thank you so much for watching.